Hey guys, this is Crystal from Fort Worth Cosmetic and Family Dentistry. I'm going to show you how to wear your night guard. First, go ahead and get your night guard out of the case. You'll also need some warm water so you're able to try it in. To get started, you'll put your night guard in that warm water. It only needs to sit in there for about 10 to 15 seconds. If your faucet water gets pretty hot, you can also use that as well. After that's sat in the water, you'll notice that it has a little give or flexibility to it when you grab the back. You'll turn it around and go ahead and insert it up. It's only going to fit in one way, so don't be afraid if you have to push a little bit. That is completely normal. So after that, it should be nice and comfortable to you. Your teeth should fit together pretty nice and even on both your left and your right side, and it should feel fairly comfortable as you bite together. If it's not, go ahead and take it out and give our office a call. You may need an adjustment. To take care of your night guard, you will just use some warm soapy water on a designated toothbrush to scrub it clean. Please do this every single morning after taking it out of your mouth. Store it in your case for safekeeping and bring it to your next cleaning so we can clean it for you. When you're getting used to a night guard, it's very normal to wake up in the middle of the night and notice your night guard is either missing or feel like you're ready to take it out. If that's the case, don't worry. This is very normal. Most people experience this when they're getting used to a night guard. Just take it out for the night, make sure it's safe in its case, and go back to bed. Try again the next night. Repeated exposure is what's going to get you comfortable and used to your appliance. If you're at home right now, you can also wear it during the day if that's comfortable to you, to make sure you're not clenching and grinding during the day. I hope this has been very informative. Let us know if you have any questions. Our phone number is 817-737-6601. Thanks guys, have a great day.